Hey, you guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to introduce week 5 to you. So, always, please click content because you'll see the full activity list of stuff that I want you guys to do and content I want you to learn. This week I did things just a little bit different. I made a week 5 checklist. So that way you have like everything that you need to do all in a line or all in a column, and then you can click off if you've done that. So hopefully that might help you. I wouldn't mind some feedback and let me know if it helps you or if it is not the thing to do. This is the discussion board. Check out your trash, and this matches Rachel Carson's texts that we have been reading. Just go in your trash and pull out 10 things, or you don't have to pull them out, but what can be repurposed, reused, recycled, or composted? What do you think? And then post it by Friday. So I'm always going to have the discussions due by Friday and then the annotations that are due Friday as well. But I think this is it is our last week of annotations. So this, I believe, recordings that I don't see that everybody has posted. So I just transferred that Dropbox or that discussion board into week 5. We do have week 5 annotations. So here's what I really wanted to let you know. Please, yeah, okay. Please forgive me because I was doing some editing and I couldn't get it back to what I wanted it to. And if you've already done some of it probably looks a little different to you than last time. But nonetheless, if you haven't read Rachel's texts, go ahead and do that. If you haven't read any of these, go ahead and do that. Travis Mills is from Vassar, Michigan. He's not a quadriplegic. He's something else, but his limbs have been cut off have been amputated at various locations, at various joints, and all 4 of them. But it talks about his story. Bruce Catton is another Michigander. He used to write back in the day about the Civil War, and he's kind of controversial because he doesn't talk about the atrocities of war. He talks about the romantic version of war. And I'm not talking like, a romance. I'm talking about the good things that happened during the war. Hawakawa's, this is welfare. A-ville is one welfare system in a town. B-ville is another welfare system in a town. What do you think about both of them? Ramona Parrish is another Michigander, and she is from Roscommon, Michigan. Her piece, this one, came from Newsweek, and it's a message from a welfare mom. She's on welfare. She has a little paragraph that is a letter directed to her doctors, another paragraph, a letter directed to her dentist, another paragraph, a letter directed toward her ex-husband, a paragraph that is a letter to the people in line behind her as she uses her EBT card. So it's kind of compelling. I think you might like it. Larry Lena's The Look, again. This is the week of Michiganders because, again, he is a Michigander. He was in prison for 10 years and he had to adopt this look on his face so that people would not mess with him. He talks about his experiences both before and after his prison sentence, and I got to tell you, it's very moving. I've had him speak in my classes, and his story is just, I don't know. You know what? You decide for yourself if you like it. I'm not going to tell you what to think. Andrew Sullivan's is When Grace Arrives Unannounced, another incarceration situation. This one man holds up this one girl, and the girl turns the man around for the better. And you'll see how that happens. So hopefully you might like those texts. And then you just write one article reflection on either text. And please, again, there is a method to my madness. There is a reason why you're annotating 2 texts, but only writing about 1. You'll find out. All right, so those are, let's see, annotations, article reflections. So we're going to learn about demonstrative pronouns this week. This one's kind of quick, so don't worry about, don't get all worked up. It's easy. And I see you guys trying twice anyway, and that's perfectly fine. I don't care. Just hopefully you're learning something, Direct quote quiz, we're going to return back to direct quote. You guys are just like, some of you are the bomb, and all of the other rest of you just need little tweaks. So we're just going to spruce those up, you guys. So watch this video. Here's the PowerPoint, and then I got another quiz for you. So there. As always, practice writing terms. There's an exam at the end of the semester, and then practice commas as well. That's a website that will help you practice commas. 2 things. Our end date is December 13th, and we have 2 more essays to go. But, I'm so sorry. But we have a break next week. You guys are going to do a project, and I'll try to get the video out so you can have a heads up. But it's kind of involved, and you're going to have to actually go outside, and you're actually going to have to email another person. So anyways, I'm so excited for that, and I'll give you more details as soon as I get that video done. So sorry this week was a little late getting it out to you. Hopefully it doesn't mess up your plans too much, but please reach out if you have any questions at all, you guys. I hope you have a great day.